Here's a video of our beautiful 1940 Ford pickup. It's a very, very high-end build, this. Just as good underneath as it is on top. I've done pictures of the underside. The engineering in this truck is superb. It drives beautifully. Power brakes, power steering, all the right bits. Everything is high-end. All leather interior by Neil Tadman. Headlining's all done. Nothing has been compromised in here. There's a battery there with an isolator, seat belts, all matching. Nice set of gauges, altimeter, they're all working. Just been out for a drive. There we go, hidden stereo behind a little flap there. Glove box. All the kick panels are done in leather. As I say, all high-end stuff. Columns adjustable, so it's easy to get in and out of. So we've just taken this for a nice long drive. Fabulous thing. All the chrome is spot on. Nicely detailed under here. It's a very, very sweet engine. It's got aluminium heads. Just purrs. Nice colour-coded Cadillac filter on there, but you can see, lovely, smooth out bulkhead, excellent paint, all Heidts suspension. She's all steel as well, no fiberglass wings or anything. It's all the real deal. Super clean under there. It's a Ford 9-inch rear, nicely geared as well for motorway cruising. So there we are, stunning truck, fabulous to drive, beautifully built. You won't find better.